In 1925, British explorer Percy Fawcett embarked on an expedition to search for a city in the Amazon rainforest. The city was said to be entirely made of gold, and its king supposedly bathed in powdered gold every day. However, Fawcett never returned from his expedition. In recent videos on Enrich Facts, there is a rediscovery of interest. AmazonFlex.in is an intriguing website that shares mysterious content among 8 countries. The area it covers is 70 million square kilometers, an enormous space where 2 countries like India and the United Kingdom, along with 28 other countries similar to the United Kingdom, can fit. This vast area remains largely unexplored by humans, similar to the mystery of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is home to about 40,000 billion trees, and it is often referred to as the lungs of the earth, as it releases 20% of the world's oxygen. Despite its significance, a considerable portion of the rainforest remains inaccessible to humans, harboring various species of plants, animals, and microorganisms, with only 10% of the species identified so far. The mystery deepens with the mention of the City of Gold, also known as El Dorado, where the entire city was believed to be made of gold, and its king bathed in powdered gold every day. In the 16th century, European explorers arrived in South America, aiming to conquer the lands where the Amazon forest was located. They encountered local tribes who had established their cities, but El Dorado remained elusive. In the 19th century, British explorer Percy Fawcett attempted multiple expeditions to find El Dorado in the Amazon, but he never returned. The last contact with Fawcett was in 1925, and he disappeared near the state of Mato Grosso in Brazil. The mystery of El Dorado persisted, with archaeological teams using advanced technology to search for hidden structures beneath the dense jungle. The National Geographic team even explored the Caribbean's coastal region, hoping to find a city buried within the Amazon forest. The story introduces the Pirapuru tribe, inhabitants of western Brazil, who were largely unknown to the outside world until 1998. They were believed to have lived in the jungle for thousands of years, possibly with a connection to the tribes that built cities in the Amazon centuries ago. However, the details about their lifestyle and connection to ancient tribes remain unclear, presenting a mystery for anthropologists. In 2017, archaeologists discovered ancient paintings hidden within a stone cave in the Amazon forest, dating back approximately 12,000 years. These paintings depicted animals that were believed to have existed only during the Ice Age, suggesting that the Jungli was once covered in ice. The findings challenged historical narratives, as the Amazon was not always a dense jungle, but a snowy landscape during a different era. The linguistic and cultural aspects of the Pirapuru tribe raised questions about their origin and potential connections to ancient tribes. Despite these revelations, the Amazon forest's inhabitants and their arrival in the region remain a mystery, with historical confirmation lacking until recent times. In this painting, it was estimated that during that era, humans lived in what condition and how they used to prey on even larger animals. Number 2, in 2019, scientists were astonished when they found a dead humpback whale on the Marajó Island in the North Brazil Amazon forest. It was a surprise not because the whale died, but the timing of its death was against the natural order. Not only that, the whale was found just above the ground near the Amazon River. In reality, this 10-ton whale was a calf of the whale's species, which usually enjoy warm waters in the starting of the summers, from October to November in the Amazon River. However, it then moves towards the south, close to Antarctica, in search of food. But how did this whale end up near the Amazon in February remains a mystery. Investigation revealed that it had died just 4 days before it was found, with no signs of being hunted or injured. So many questions arise here now. Firstly, how did the whale reach here in this weather? Why did it come from the sea to the Amazon River? And most importantly, how did it reach the land between the Amazon forest? The mystery of that day and today remains unsolved. And now, the #1 Amazon forest secret. In 2013, a discovery was made when a chemistry student near Peru found a strange structure on a plant leaf. It looked quite mysterious and had a silk cone in the center. surrounded by a fantastic fence made entirely of silk. The student took photos of this structure and posted them on the internet. However, the surprising thing was that no one had seen such a structure before. After a thorough investigation, a team of scientists visited this part of Peru. In no time, they found more than 45 such structures, some on trees and some on plant leaves. This mysterious structure was named Silkhenge, and some of them were taken to the laboratory for examination under a microscope. It was observed that tiny dust mites were moving around on the fence. These mites do not produce silk, so it was confirmed that these structures were not made by them. After a few days, the cone between the fences slowly started to crack, and one of them revealed a baby spider. In reality, this structure was created by a special species of spider found only in the western Amazon. This spider makes fences around its eggs so that small dust mites get trapped. And when its baby hatches from the egg, it has some food available. Hope you will like and share this Enrich Facts video.